X106, bringing you the hottest music.
I just want to dance. I love dancing.
Every Bearcat home football game. Tune in to X106 for Bearcat Game Day 2 hours before kickoff for in-depth previews of the day's game, as well as other Northwest sports.
It's going to be one big party. I like this kind of party!
It's Bearcat Game Day on X106.
We got spirit. How about you?
Yeah, baby. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Catch KNWT every Monday through Thursday at 6 p.m.
Awesome. Awesome to the max.
Programming includes Channel 8 News, Bearcat Update, Cat Chat, Respawn TV, Movie Madness, and Northwest Session.
Lights, cameras, action!
Action. Ready. Stand by, everybody.
KNWT will be airing the homecoming parade this Saturday, starting around 9 a.m. on Channel 8.
I found some really great streaming online.
There's this thing called Facebook. Facebook page.
Also, find the live streaming on facebook.com/KNWT8. The Northwest Missourian.
The news and everything that's happening on the local scene will follow.
Covering on-campus as well as community news.
Yeah, it's great.
Also, Bearcat and Spoofhound Sports.
The game.
Yay, team!
Distributing weekly to 34 Maryville locations and 31 on-campus locations.
They're all around us, man.
Also, catch us in the Union every Thursday for Student Media Day.
Check it out.
The Northwest Missourian, a proud entity of Northwest Student Media.